Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Autosport Designs. Today we have a very special car for you. It is a 1983 Datsun 280ZX with only 9,000 original miles, and we're going to take it for a drive. We'll see you on the road. All right, everyone, we're going to do a little cold start. It's been sitting out here for most of the day. Starts right up. We've got an oil pressure gauge here, voltage gauge here, a clock here. Absolutely everything is working. You'll take a look at the window sticker that we have posted online so you can see all of this car's options. It's got velour 5-way adjustable seats, among many other amenities for 1983. So we're going to get it out on the road and take it for a little drive. So we'll see you momentarily. All right, here we are in the 9,000 mile 280ZX. Great pressure, great temperature. We are cruising along through the hills of Long Island, and I just want to show everyone that absolutely everything is working. That's the AC, and it's ice cold. Radio. Sounds good. I feel like this is a lot of 80s nostalgia in one very tidy little package. It's smooth. We've got power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, and absolutely everything is working as intended.
How about the heat?
The heat.
Thank you.
Too cold?
It was.
And the heat works. Awesome. It's a balmy 45 degrees or so here on Long Island. That's why we've got the T-tops on. But you take these off and it's a great time. The word time capsule is overused, but I think that time capsule describes this car perfectly. You'll take a look at the underbody pictures, at obviously all of the outside picture, window sticker, and it's really something special, something that rarely comes up for sale. This has been in the care of a collection that is very well known to us by a friend of Autosport. Start up, this car goes through all of its checks. Goes through everything, checks all the systems, comes back as okay. As you can see, we're just cruising along here on the back roads, doing about 35 miles an hour in 5th gear. It's nice and quiet in here. And it feels as though we just drove off the Datsun lot back in 1983, or maybe 82. Depending. So we're going to be going to our flyby spot now. We'll get some outside shots of it driving by. Be back with you momentarily. So we just did the flybys. I really enjoyed those. I hope everyone else liked seeing the 280ZX go by. You know, it's got just enough power to have some fun, about 145 horsepower coming out of this inline six. One thing that you can really use this car for is to, again, have a great time and enjoy life, which is why we're going to pick up a 6-pack of beer for our friend and coworker, Chris, because he helped us out today and we want to make it up to him. So we're going to get him a beer. Not sure exactly, what kind yet, or what kind he likes, I guess. Any input there, Dawn? So that was our video, everybody. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time driving this 280ZX. I know you guys are going to love it too. Whoever wins this car is going to be very happy. So We have our beer secured for Chris, and all is right in the world. So we will see you on the next one, folks. Ciao.